What's going on, people? I'm not going to sit here and talk and act like say I'm rich or we come from everything because growing up we have to struggle. We have to work hard for everything we have. But when I tell my kids, now I got three beautiful daughters, but when I tell them the things that we had to deal with growing up, them think a joke me I make. Yo, me tell them I have to share my room with my two brother them not believe me. Cause all their lives they grew up in their own rooms. Or me tell them say we only have one TV in the house. Them say how can that be? Cause them growing up, all them see is TV in each of them room, and then a TV in the living room. And them feel say how so life was from growing up. They wouldn't understand that we only had one TV, the floor model TV where you have to wait for heat up, and then we only had one channel. That them think is so far fetched. Do these kids nowadays take everything for granted? I know the answer, I know, but left it in the comments and make me know. One love.